How to simply download GIF file format from your Google account or from your Google Chrome here presently on your PC. Firstly, you should search on your Google here and type any of the GIF you want to download. Simply you have to search that on the search menu, and from the image section simply select any of the GIF you want to install or download. Whenever you will click any of the GIF to download it from here, you should click the right click on this image. Let me just see that. Whenever you will click on the right click, you will see there is an option to save image as. You simply have to click on this, and from this menu you should choose the format or the file name as a GIF image, and then you can simply save it. So this is how you can save any of the GIF available from this menu to your computer. I am repeating the steps: save image as GIF image, rename it, and then save it, and you can use it anywhere you want. So this is all about the video. Thank you so much for watching this. Please subscribe to our channel for watching such updates like this.